going on, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Blockmania Gaming. And we are playing, finally, Part 3, much longer than Part 2. Scania S Asuna. Same place we left off at Part 2. So, let's get her started and get rolling.
Yep, let's get this show on the road.
Just gonna skip our pre-trip. We can see everything looks good enough. Let's just roll, man. We got places to be. Places to meet, people to see. Viruses to avoid. You gotta be careful going up here. Yeah. As you guys have seen, I have filmed before, so. Oh crap. I did not know that I had the jakey wakies on. Oh, make sure I go the right way. I have been lost before. Try not to get lost in here again. Oh! I don't want to turn. Oh, got the corona. Just kidding. Alright. Let's hammer down. I am excited though to see what the N14 or the N11's the N14, I said it right the first time, sounds with the 1.37 update. I think it's gonna be pretty cool, pretty good. Got my mic a little bit, so. Alright. So yes, I believe we're in Poland, so we're gonna go to POZ. ZAN, whatever that, however you say that. I'm as American as they get, so I do. Yeah, slow down, it is raining too. But where I live, right now it is actually snowing. So yeah, in the midst of all our Corona stuff, I'm getting some snow. Weather doesn't care what pandemic's going on, it still does what it does. Really. Well, excuse me. See now, but now I have to pass you because you're being an a-hole. Ah, just kidding. Just kidding. This is. Ain't no PG here. Our Facebook feel PG though. Alright. Alright. Trucking along, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Oh, you mother trucker. Thanks, man.
Continue straight.
I used, see what I did there? I just used the rails to bounce me back. My poor baby.
200 meters, turn right. Turn right.
Oh, I gotta see if I'm gonna count. Okay.
Keep left.
Do not control the lucky rack.
Turn left.
Alright, so along this way. Warclaw. Roadclaw.
Continue straight.
I don't know how to say that. We are in Poland, ladies and
200
gentlemen.
meters, turn right. Turn right. In 200 meters, turn left.
Alright.
Turn left.
Take a nice look at her. Beautiful truck here. Alright. So sadly, I don't want to do this, but my Rex will force me later on to wreck the baby. But I don't like the wrecker, but it is the rules. Well, Maniac Gaming are the rules. We will not break them, even for myself. So,
Keep right.
you little car. God, why?
Exit.
Like, why did you slow down like that? The hell is... Okay, that's fine, but we're just gonna... I'm gonna drive him into a wall. Just because he pissed me off. Fucking no reason stopping like that.
Exit.
Man, that was ridiculous. There's no reason to go that slow. No one else was. There's been in front of him. He's just gonna be an asshole. So I was an asshole back. Alright. Yes, that's number 5. I only counted a 1. Trust me, the more I would like to count it as 6, honestly. And 6 means purple or pink Volvo, and I'd rather crash that pink Volvo than the beautiful Asuna Scania, of course. How fast can we go? Run to this car right here. Ivanko. Oops. I think the rain is no more resistant. Okay, I'm not. Oh, daddy. Oh, dad. Oh, look at that. See that? That was a save. That was a wreck save. That should have been a wreck, but it was not. Prove to each and every one of you guys that and girls that I'm not trying to wreck on purpose to get the pink Volvo to wreck that instead. Because I guess that technically doesn't. Technically doesn't say that because, yeah, like I said earlier, obviously, I would want to try to make this technically hers. This is like my favorite truck. My pride and joy here. I definitely wouldn't want to save her at all costs, so I guess. But it still might. It would say I wouldn't want to wreck on purpose. Hot air balloons, huh?
In 200 meters, turn right.
Oh, look!
Turn right.
I believe it's Pazan. We're supposed to go. I think it is. This truck just sounds amazing though. Still think it's gonna sound beyond awesome. I already see the 1.37 patch for the Mortals engine pack. I think it's gonna be amazing.
Continue straight.
Very, very good. Signals.
In 200 meters, turn
left. Alright. Will do. Will do indeed.
Turn left.
Outside the cab for the last 15 miles. Oh, that's close. Dude.
Take the second exit.
Alright, I'm done right now. Slow Scania though.
Continue straight.
What the hell? Oh my god. Okay. Well, there's wreck 6. Gosh, man, I can't believe that was like the worst wreck anywhere because I hit the stupid side rail.
Keep
But
left.
it caused damage, so it counts as a wreck. That is 6, so ain't gonna do it. I don't really want to drive. It's pink, guys. I'll throw it to you. It's really pink. Give it a miss, you little girl, but promise is a promise. Ooh, don't hit that. Alright, so we will deliver this load here. And 12 pink Scania, or pink Scania. Pink Scania would be too cool. No, it's pink. I did have a pink Scania for all of October. I just, wasn't making videos yet. So, it was not on the, yeah.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Alright.
Turn right.
We are almost here. Pull out our truck for the first time ever.
In 200 meters, turn left.
That's pink.
Turn left.
Oh yeah, I still am gonna look for a better, something that's more girly as girl. Oh my gosh, what am I driving?
Frankly, I did all the hard work.
This pink is gonna be about as close as we can get. Let's check in. Throw these flashers on here. Throw the Asuna Scania in. Oh my goodness, it's on the other stupid side. It looks like this side though. I can see where I'm supposed to go from here. Alright, so we're gonna turn everything off, drop our trailer. We're gonna deliver this load. Alright, continue, and now we need to do this. As I said, there's the Volvo. Look at it. You just look at it. I even made the wheels pink. Just to ugly it up. Alright. Before we do that, though, I do want to go to Garage Manager. I'm sorry, Garage Purchase. That's what we want to do. And we can buy a garage here. you know, since we are here, no, that's Warsaw. No, it's not. I won't do it right now, actually. Alright, let's just go to recruitment aid. No, truck manager. Alright, so now we're gonna find our Volvo. We're gonna relocate to there. No, I'm sorry. No. Not relocate. I gotta drive it and then we gotta do it. And it should go to London. Then I gotta switch it there. Alright, so now we'll go to garage manager and then we go have you say that and we'll travel there. It's the whole thing you gotta do. Alrighty. Guess instead is 11:22 p.m. More pink Volvo. Look at that thing. Hit third pink ice. Get some rest up. Okay, so now Pinko, we're gonna see what kind of trip we got here. Did we already go to war? Well, let's take the tractors.
Have a pleasant. Well, nice that you can have with us.
We're driving a pink Volvo, I know.
Turn right. Keep left. And then turn left. Turn left.
Oh!
Continue straight.
Pick this bullet up.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Roll off, bro. Jeez, the wheel me.
Turn right.
Alright. That sucked, huh?
In 200 meters, turn left. Turn left. You have reached your destination. Well done. Although, frankly, I enjoyed hard work.
So, frame market. I grab that. Little flashers on. There's our load right there. Because we drive a pink Volvo.
Have a pleasant
I heard not really.
navigation system argue with itself? No? Well, that's about to change. No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. It's funny. I like this mod. Alright. And yes, because it's pink, all we have is our little unnamed titty tat in the we'll call it Pinky. Here's I don't know. Oh, and Patrick's up there. Because I did it because Patrick was pink, so alright.
Turn right.
damn titty tat with us here. Alright. Let's roll out.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Yeah, there. Alright.
Turn left.
Go riding, here we go.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Yes, sir. So I believe this is my most wrecks I've had is 6
Turn right.
on ETS2. So this is my my low. I think on ATS, and well, as long as I've been making my videos, at least I think I've only wrecked free once. I think I had 9 was the most I have had. That's pretty sad. Because usually these are only an hour. Videos only an hour and 20 minutes. And you know, I would do a 2 to 3 hour video, but man, it would take like 18, 19 hours.
Exit.
Oh! With my slow freaking fucking internet. Alright, fuckins, let's get this shit going.
Keep right. And then turn right. Turn right.
Of course, even though we're bearish on the outside, on the inside, we're still rocking the Cummins N14 at the 1420 brake horsepower. We're already embarrassed enough. We don't want to get look at a little titty.
Continue straight.
Stormy says, "Dude, I ain't riding in that ugly piece of crap." Our little unnamed fleet, little titty tat. He doesn't care. He just wants to ride. So little titty tat is not as care. Stormy says, "Hey, I love you more than anything. I am not riding in that ugly truck." So that's what happened. Look at that. How fast can we go in this thing, baby? Oh, I'm just kidding. This is not the last ride yet. Still gotta make this delivery.
In 200 meters, turn left. Turn left.
Say, I almost can't see. I can see through the... You know, Teddy, if you could be more helpful, let me know when the cars are coming. Oh, I know you're gonna turn here. There's a bus coming. It's further down now. Down. Alright. Still snowing out there, I'm not sure. She don't know she's beautiful. we've had, you know, oh, she's a spring baby, she's a summer baby. Now we're gonna be like, yeah, that's my Corona baby. She survived the Corona pandemic. Now, hopefully, but for anyone that's having a baby or pregnant, everything dies down for them born, because it's not something we can do, because obviously babies are like 100 times more receptacle to viruses, illnesses, and bacteria altogether, because they don't have an immune system yet. For the same reason why little kids get sick easier. A lot of time, pediatric cancer can be more deadly than big adult cancer because of the immune system. So, Patrick's flying. I don't know. No. Look, this is Farming Sim of the 19 over here, huh? Oh, there it is. I was in the wrong button. I was like, it's only one and a half? Like, this is a really crappy horn. Alright. Kinda going a little fast here. I used to really crash when I first started playing this game. Because, yeah, I used to go way too fast. So I don't know what else. I know what my next two videos are going to be for sure. The next YouTube video will rock out. So I'm going to try to do a Facebook ETS2 video after this. Excuse me. Holy hell, that's rude. And then my next YouTube is going to be Rebel Pete. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Those are my next two. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do after that.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
You shouldn't have gone there, but you know, people are assholes. Found that out more than ever in the last few weeks, or last month. I guess it's been a couple of weeks, right? People are assholes, and when it comes down to it, as a whole, as a community, wherever it is that you live, and you could say, oh yeah, and there might be a few communities out there that, you know, I live in a somewhat small town, you motherfucker. But I think we've learned as a whole, just definitely not my town. Oh, you're an asshole, you know that? Jeez Louise. Just drive in a little left lane.
And then turn right. Turn right.
Is that as a community, people. Oh, crap. Thank you for being so nice.
In 200 meters, turn left.
As a community,
turn left.
Wherever it is you live at, sorry, I'm almost hitting all this stuff as I'm trying to speak. Will not come together to support each other. That's my point. It's been seen. People are hoarding 6 things of toilet paper and fighting over it and not letting somebody have, or not rolls, but 12 packs or whatever it might be. Not letting somebody else have a 12 pack. Shows to me that not saying neighbors can't be. Hopefully,
In 200 meters,
and this is something I
turn
pray
right.
because it's sad if you can't. If you can at least come together as neighbors, maybe, you know, maybe even a block. You know, that's what I would hope and pray that you can do. But I know there's so many people that just are so selfish, and you know, we'll get as we're driving our pink Volvo here. I'll get a little personal with you guys. What the crap?
Turn left.
After I make this turn here. Oh, here if you're blocking that, please. Yeah, we're going this way. I'll go around you. Oh, you hear the jackhammer. That's cool. I like going over this. It's pretty cool. Wow, I remember saying I was gonna get personal, but. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, dude! They dumped their car over, and the firefighters are just laughing about it. Look at that. They're like, what an idiot. No, I'm kidding. They would never do that. I kind of wish they might fix that in the game. That would something they would do is, you know, watch the firefighters aren't spinning around making it look like they're doing nothing. Yeah, so, as a small townish, like I said, you know, retail is one of the good jobs to get, honestly. And finally actually worked my way up to the management level to make, alright money, but
meters,
it's nothing of that. It's still a living check to check type of thing, obviously.
turn right.
But as coming from my teenagers, coming into the real adulthood, as you would, was the point where I love people. I consider myself to be the biggest people person. And I say, hey,
In 200 meters, turn
You know.
right.
and wanted to help
Turn
everyone.
right.
I got to the point. And when I first moved up here, this is a great place. I was like so shocked. I was like, people are like waving. Everyone waves. I'm like, I love this place. This is what I love. More and more big city people moved up here, the worse it got. But I really just find out that people as a whole just are shit fucking people. Yeah, I've been to slowly hate people more and more. And and let's see where we can park this. And the reason I began to hate people more and more and more is because how selfish people are, how much people only care about themselves. And this is kind of a little struggling here. How much that hurt me personally to know that my race, even my country folks, my state folks, my community, consider your community. Wow, this is gonna be a bad. Can't come together and help each other out. All they care about is themselves. And you don't have to. I am personally, real personal here. I do believe. Oh, look at that! Look at that. That was beautiful. And 1 second, we're gonna pause this conversation. We're gonna turn everything off. Turn that engine off, and we're gonna drop our trailer here and see what we get. Alright. Almost level 21. We go to the Czech Republic. It don't matter. We'll take it. We're not gonna. Oh look, you can see the animal sound. That's cool. Alright, so now where is our trailer? Oh, there it is. Yeah, so as we were saying, as I was saying, turn these flashers on, we're trying to get our trailer here. Was you don't have to be believer in God, you don't have to have some serious beliefs. It has nothing to do with that whatsoever.
I'm ready. You ready yet? Well,
The mentor is not responsible
You know,
for
to
directional
care
advice.
about your neighbor. You don't need that to be a decent human being. You really don't. What you believe in does not, should not make a difference on what kind of person. I mean, it should. It really should. I guess.
in 200
But,
meters, turn
just because you're a certain way doesn't. Say you're an evolutionist. Let's just go here. Say there's an evolution, right? Oh crap, there's a bus out there. I'm good anyways. Doesn't mean you can't help your neighbor out. Doesn't mean they have no money, food. Doesn't mean you can't share
in 200
some of your
meters,
extra food
turn
with them.
right.
Sometimes it's not even as simple as that. It's even simple as
Turn right.
people won't even give someone that time of day. Oh, look at this guy. He lives in that really bad trailer and he works 3 jobs and people make fun of him. I see it. So that's my point. It's just that my hope and my for humanity has gone so downhill because I don't want to say hate, really dislike people more and more every day, every month, every year, because I see how much they're willing not to help somebody. I've also noticed people close to you to where they really say, hey, that's what I care about people, I don't care about myself. Then you watch them be careless, be selfless, only care about themselves. And I think that hurts me more than anything to see that people are so crazy. I actually think all they do care about other people when you see, almost said that, all you see them is care for themselves. Time and time again, take advantage of people. Maybe a lot of them are really close to them. We'll have to watch them take advantage of them. So to see that we're going through all this, and I'm talking to them, I don't know, so that ways. We're going through a pandemic here, and people are acting like a bunch of fucking idiots, and a bunch of scum pieces of shit. It doesn't fucking surprise me, because I've seen it for years and years now, and it's changed who I am. And if I could leave anyone with any kind of advice, man, try not to. I mean, I don't know why. I can't tell you because I can't. I let it change me. I don't know how not to. Because it's hard to want to help people. I still want to help the people that are good people. But I used to want to help anyone no matter what. Now it's like, I don't want to help people that act like assholes. I don't want to help these people.
In 200 meters,
Toilet paper.
left.
I don't want to help these. Oh, I got 6 things of toilet paper and I won't give somebody one roll to those people and tell them to go fuck themselves. Because you're a piece of fucking garbage human cockroach. I don't want to get mean like that. That's not who I am. But this doesn't surprise me. So, I hope anyone that's watching I know you guys are one of the good ones. So, I would say come together with your community. You're not going to be able to community because probably 90% of your community is idiots. They're fuck faces. But try to come together as a community. Not sorry, I just said that, idiot. Come together as neighbors, at least. That's all I want to leave you guys before we start the final ride here. Guys, God bless you guys. Hopefully, your protect each other, you know. In times like this, you want to keep your family close. Help your really close neighbors out, you know, as well. So, enough of that. I'll start crying. I'm gonna cry and Glock Mini gave me. He's a freaking crier. No. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to get ran over right here. This is the part of the show where we're driving a pink Volvo because we're horrible drivers. And we're really sad, so we're gonna wreck this piece of crap Volvo. There's something called the final ride, which is all that entails is you don't let off the gas, you don't deviate from your route. So, ladies and gentlemen, the final ride is now a go. Alright guys, so the final ride is activated. We're gonna see how long we can last. We've got 80 miles to go. We'll get that nice personal conversation. So let's see. We can crash. A little Scania streamline. There.
Continue straight.
What's this mofo gonna do, bruh? Excuse me. Fuck out of my way. You slow motherfucker. We're driving a pink Volvo, we gotta go fast. So gotta compensate for having to drive a pink Volvo. Alright. This might be. Woo! Oh, I know why I'm struggling. I didn't put an 18 speed in here. Not an 18. Oh, dude, look, it's a fucking Volvo trailer. Excuse me, Volvo. Oh shit, this isn't good. Oh fuck me. Oh! The little trailer saved me right there. Thank God for little trailer. He saved me. We were kids. Let's do it. Dangerous. Going around corners like this. So I can only get to like 83. Oop, I tapped him. Okay, we're done. Wait, this is it. There's no way I'm making it around this corner here. That's a turn. Oh, not yet. Oh, car! Damn it! Oh, shit! Oops. Alrighty then. I think that is it. What's the damage at? 100%. Okay, well, I did not make that to that corner like I thought I would. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by. If you do like this, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and comment down below what you guys liked, what you thought, what you'd like me to see drive next. Guys, make sure you guys stay safe in these crazy times. Appreciate every one of you. Guys, take care, and as always, God bless.